The aim of the theme Exploitation of Co-products is to carry out research and development activities so that we can improve the exploitation of waste streams in the agri-food chain. That means we add value to food production by creating more products from the agri-food chain without imposing upon food production itself. There are a large number of wastes produced in the agri-food chain, from straw in the fields through to waste trimmings produced during food processing, right the way through to the waste on the plate that people throw into the dustbin and becomes municipal waste. We are interested in exploring means to make use of these wastes at every stage of the food chain to add value to the whole chain and to enhance the sustainability. If we take the trimmings produced during, for example, fruit and vegetable processing, there are very large numbers of food-grade phytochemicals and other bioactive components which have potential to be used as ingredients for improving food quality and enhancing the nutritional benefit of foods. If we look at the straw waste streams produced at the agricultural level, straw contains large quantities of cellulose, and cellulose has the potential to be converted to glucose, which can be fermented to produce, for example, fuel ethanol, and also other industrial biochemicals. To that end, we are working very closely with the National Collection of Yeast Cultures within this theme. Yeasts have the potential to produce important cell factories to convert sugars like glucose into a myriad of other chemicals that can be used. Here in Norwich, we house the Norwich Research Park biorefinery at the Institute of Food Research. The aim of this biorefinery is to provide facilities and expertise to bring together the world-class science that's produced on the Norwich Research Park in order to address the issue of biomass waste and its exploitation. We have expertise in developing crop plants at the John Innes Centre. We have expertise in cell wall disassembly and saccharification, that is to produce sugars, here at the Institute of Food Research. We have the National Collection of Yeast Cultures and the Wolfson Fermentation Laboratories across at the UEA. And we also have collaborations with industries throughout the eastern counties, for example, Lotus Engineering. The Biorefinery Centre was initially set up with funding from EDA and from the BBSRC and from the Institute of Food Research. Within the biorefinery, we have a facility for steam exploding biomass. The steam explosion facility allows us to heat biomass up to very high temperatures. This opens up the structure and allows us then to digest the cellulose effectively with cell wall degrading enzymes. The sugars that are released from the saccharification process are then fermented using yeasts in the National Collection of Yeast Cultures, and we are currently exploring the range of chemicals that those yeasts can produce. By maximising the use of co-products and waste streams from the food chain, we will obviously increase the sustainability of the food chain and reduce the overall carbon footprint. The Biorefinery Centre acts as a lens to focus our world-class science on the Norwich Research Park onto industrially relevant interests and opportunities.